Hey guys, it's Anthony Martin again with Martin Vacation Properties here in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. I'm at the River Cottage. I have been working on fixing the bathroom and the little hole in the, not hole in the wall, but the water leak we had. We now have holes in the wall. We have two holes in the wall. We have one behind the stove and one here in the bathroom. In the morning, I'm going to be coming up with an idea to be able to cover that up. I did find a water leak problem. I don't know exactly what the problem is. I just know where it's coming from. I'm gonna have to get with a plumber friend of mine and give him a shout and see what he has to say about that. But I'm gonna work on another problem that somebody mentioned in a post or a message to us about what's going on over here with the ceiling fan. And this is a common problem that we have. I'll go ahead and turn it on here for you and turn this thing around. So we got our ceiling fan here. I'm gonna cut this guy on. Let's see. See how it's wobbling? It's wobbling really bad. More than likely, what's going on here is that some of the components are actually loose. When you use your ceiling fan, when people use a ceiling fan a lot, you put these in for the first time, you don't get everything really tight. It tends to loosen all this stuff up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna climb up here on a ladder and I'm gonna start tightening all the components. I'm gonna go up to the top, tighten everything up. I'm gonna go up there to the very top. I'll take that little cap off and I'll make sure everything, that should be a ball. It should just be hanging on a thing there. So it shouldn't be nothing there, but maybe down towards the ceiling fan. I'll see what I can find. If I can find anything loose, I'll tighten it up. Give it a test and see if we got it fixed, and then I'll update you and let you know if it worked. All right, so I found the culprit pretty quickly. I tightened up some of the fan blades, but the main culprit here that got loosened up, let me go up here and I'll show you if I can. All the way up here. So let me go over here and show you here. So I just came up here. Now I didn't tighten any of these yet, but first thing I did was pulled up this little thing that's on the top of the fan. Pulled this up, and see, this has one of those just a pin. This little, it has a bolt through there and has a pin, one of the safety pin things that are going through it. Can't remember the actual name of those. That goes through it. Now that holds it on and it ain't gonna fall off, but this little screw right here, there's an extra screw in there that has to be tightened, which tightens around the actual post that it's against, so that whatever that goes through that's holding it from the top, it's a kind of a set screw that if it's really tight, it holds the fan in place. And that thing was really loose. I mean really loose, so I tightened it up really good, and that solved the problem. So so this would have been a thing if you would have called an electrician or went and bought you a new fan. You know, that's something super simple, super fast to fix, and you wouldn't need a service person to come out and figure out what was going on there. That was real easy fix. So if you got a wobbly fan, I'd say jump up on a ladder, check that set screw, make sure that it's real good and tight. That's it.